Hey RAWmazing friends! You know, traveling while plant-based can sometimes feel like you're trying to find kale in a candy store. And finding plant-based food on our journeys can seem so challenging. Whether it's limited restaurant choices, language barriers, unfamiliar grocery stores, or family pressure, maintaining a plant-based fuel style during our travels can be stressful. If you're ready to take your plant-based fuel style with you while you want to travel, you can do this with ease and confidence and no hunger headaches. In this video, I've created some easy plant-based hacks that will keep you feeling energized, prepared, and totally in the flow in your next trip. Hi, I'm Veronica, and for those that are new here, welcome. This video is also about traveling plant-based and finding ways to easily stay true to our plant-based values. This channel is all about shifting our mindset, embracing a high nutrient fuel style so we can live a delicious and healthy lifestyle. And in case you want to watch more health and wellness and mindset videos, watch our playlists. The links are in the description below. Let's face it, how many times have we said to ourselves, you know what, I'll just grab something when I get there, only to find ourselves surrounded by fast food and zero healthy plant-based options. It's happened to me. The truth is, staying committed to our plant-based fuel style while traveling takes a little prep. And with the right hacks, it becomes effortless and empowering. So let's get into it and set ourselves up for plant-based success on our next vacation, holiday, or travel adventure. Hack number 1, pack smart snacks. Bringing our go-to favorites is the way to go. Make little snack bags full of raw organic almonds, walnuts, pumpkin, and sunflower seeds. Or bring some raw organic dried fruit with no added sugar. Or make sure that you have some plant-based energy balls with you. Hack number 2, download some plant-based apps like Happy Cow, VegMan, or Vegan Map. These are great resources for us and they can help us find vegan spots anywhere around the world. Number 3, shop local. As soon as we arrive at our destination, find where a healthy local store is and where and when your destination hosts a farmer's market. Load up on leafy greens, local fruits and vegetables, avocados, nuts, and seeds for our fuel. Number 4, bring a mini blender and your powders. Whenever and wherever I travel, I bring my small portable blender and my powders so I can blend smoothies and make green drinks in the hotel, on the go, or at a friend's house if I'm visiting them. I never leave home for very long without them. Hack number 5, master the hotel buffet. Even if the hotel isn't plant-based, we can always find fruit, nuts, veggies, salads, and greens to level up our fuel, our shakes, and our green drinks at a buffet. And hack number 6, ask questions. Never be afraid to ask what's in a dish or if something can be made vegan. Most eateries are super accommodating if we ask with kindness and with clarity. I once stayed at a hotel that had 0 vegan items on a menu, so I never ate at their restaurant. Instead, I went to their breakfast bar. I grabbed a bowl, I filled it with fresh local fruit, I added some almond milk, I topped it with nuts, seeds, and coconut shavings, and I made my own rawlicious and RAWmazing smoothie bowl. When we have set our mindset on health, we can get creative and nothing can stop us on our wellness flow. So RAWmazing friends, traveling doesn't have to derail our plant-based fuel style. It's all about planning, prepping, and staying focused on our health and wellness no matter where we are. We're not just plant-based travelers, we're wellness warriors on a mission to feel energetic and full of vitality anywhere and everywhere we go. Drop your favorite plant-based hack in the comments. I'd love to hear what works for you. And if you found this video helpful and empowering, please give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone who's going to be traveling plant-based. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more RAWmazing content on personal growth, empowerment, inspiration, motivation, positivity, health, and high nutrition. Sign up for our free Raw News, which is emailed out every Monday, and subscribers get exclusive benefits. Grab our complimentary mindset mantras if you need a little help shifting your mindset. The link is in the description below. And sign up for my new 5-day live masterclasses. Be RAWmazing with Veronica. The link is in the description below. Thanks again for watching. Follow me on Instagram. See you in the next video and have RAWmazing plant-based travels.